Okay, 5.3 question C. Okay, it's continue from while loop. If you understand how while loop works, you should be able to answer questions. This time, you also need to know how to use I++. Okay, it's a post increments, as it is post increments. So let's say I start from 0. Okay, 0 less than 10. That is true. So we are going to be here. So this is I++. Okay, it's a post increments. Also, we still evaluate it. Okay, 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. That is true. But after that statement, okay, I still 0 here. But after that statement, we increase by 1. Okay, so I become number 1. Okay, on screen. Then we come back because I is still less than 10. So here we say I is become number 1. So 1 less than 10 it is. So 1 divided by 2 is no. So we are going to be here. Okay, because it's not true. So we are going for number 2. So let me just say when I is 2 is here. Okay. So we go to next one. Okay. 2 less than 10, yes, it is true, remainder 0. Okay, so here I is 2 to become 3. Okay, so go back. 3 less than 10, yes. When you go down to here, remainder 0, no. So here, okay, 3. Sorry, that should be 4. Okay, 4 less than 10, yes, it is. So remainder is 0, yes. Then increase by 1, so I become number 5. Okay, so 5 is less than 10, yes. 5 remain by 2, no, that's not true. So that become number 6. Okay, 6 less than 10, yes. Remainder is 0, yes, it is. Then we increase by 1, so it becomes 7. Come back. 7 less than 10, yes. Here, no, we cannot. You can divide by 2, but remainder is not 0. So we are saying here 8. Okay. 8 less than 10, yeah, it is. Yes, it is. Remainder is 0. So we say here number 9. Okay. Okay. 9 less than 10. Yes, it is. Here, no, that's not true. So we're going to be okay. But this one we are not printing. Okay, we cannot print. But this is the one. So when I become 9 is less than 10. Okay. Oh, sorry, we did number 9 already. So let's say 10. Okay, 10 less than 10. Yes, it is. No, sorry, that's not true. So when I is less than 10 less than 10, we are going to be here. Okay, we are going to exit the while loop. Okay, basically here when I is 10. So basically it's going to print odd numbers. Okay, I know this is unusual condition we have, but it's good idea to practice how the while loop works according to one if conditional statement. Okay, let's try. So this one is print array one at a time. So 1 here, 3 and 5 and 7 and 9. Okay, make sure you do manually process one by one. Okay, this is what I did. So if you can explain to yourself by manually following the process one by one, it's easier for you to understand the idea of using while loop with if conditional statement. That's all. Thank you.